Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Park with your Health Minute for today. I would like to talk about supplement quality and how to make sure you're getting a good quality nutritional supplement if you are taking nutritional supplements. The very first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, check your label. And you want to make sure that the company at least has a GMP stamp on it, meaning GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. And what that means is that the supplement was at the very least manufactured in a good, clean facility, which is, of course, important. The next level of looking at the label is you want to look to see if there is any third-party quality testing being done. Now, for some companies, they do put this directly on the label. For other companies, they do not put it on the label, but if you went to their website, it becomes very obvious that they are doing third-party quality testing. Third-party quality testing means a company from the outside of that company came in and analyzed what was in the supplement and proved that what's on the label actually matches what is in the product. And that's really crucial because there were a couple of studies done in the last decade that were pretty damaging to the supplement industry because it is not regulated by the FDA, which is what makes third-party quality testing all the more important. So one study in particular looked at vitamin D levels, and this was published in JAMA, the Journal of the American Medical Association, and they went around and took vitamin Ds from drugstores, grocery stores, places like that, and analyzed what was in them and, found a wide variety, anywhere from about 9% up to, I think it was 126% of what it said was on the label was actually in there. And then another separate study done looking at supplements of all kinds, not just vitamin D, found that up almost 70% of all supplements had some kind of major discrepancy from the label as to what was actually in the product, meaning that a lot of the supplements either didn't have, any of the ingredient it said was on the label was in there, or extra ingredients, and in some cases there were medications found, traces of medications found in nutritional supplements. So this makes it really crucial to make sure you're getting your supplements from a good quality source that has been third-party quality tested. Otherwise, there's nobody regulating the quality of what's in your supplement. This is Dr. Emily Park with your Health Minute.